Now second chapter is quadratic equation. Okay. You have studied polynomials last year. You know types of polynomials according to their degree. When the degree of the polynomial is 1, it is called a linear polynomial. And if degree of a polynomial is 2, it is called a quadratic polynomial. Means if the degree is 2, that is the quadratic equation, and if the degree is 1, that is linear equation. Okay. The general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the general form of quadratic equation. In this equation degree is 2 and variable is x. So this is quadratic equation. For example, 2x square plus 4x minus 8 equal to 0. In this equation, degree is 2, power is 2. So this is quadratic equation. Okay. First, second example, minus 3x square plus 4x minus 6 equal to 0. Again, in this equation, power is 2. So this is also quadratic equation. Third equation, minus 8x square plus 4x cube plus 6 equal to 0. This is not a quadratic equation because in this equation higher index is 3. Okay, power is 3. So this is not quadratic equation. This type of question can be asked for 1 marks. Okay. This is quadratic equation, this is quadratic equation, but this is not quadratic equation because in this equation power is not 2, that is 3. Higher index is not 2, that is 3. So this is not quadratic equation. Okay. Question for 1 marks. Decide which of the following are quadratic equation. Decide which of the following are quadratic equation. First, 3x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. Okay. This is quadratic equation because in this equation maximum index is 2. Maximum index is 2. Therefore, this is quadratic equation. Second, 1 marks. This question can be asked for 1 marks. 4x cube plus 2x square minus 7 equal to 0. In this equation, maximum index is 3. So this is not quadratic equation. Here maximum index is 3. Therefore, this is not quadratic equation. Okay, question is that decide whether the given equations are quadratic or not. These questions for 1 mark. Second topic is roots of a quadratic equation. Okay. Page number 32. In the previous class, you have studied that if value of the polynomial is 0 for x equal to a, then x minus a is a factor of that polynomial. That is, if p of x is a polynomial and p of a equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor of p of x. In this case, a is the root or solution of p of x equal to 0. The values of variable which satisfy the equation or the value for which both the sides of equation are equal are called solutions or roots of the equation. Okay. Practice set 2.1. Practice set 2.1, question number 2. First question, you have to solve it. Decide which of the following are quadratic equation. First number, x square plus 5x minus 2. Decide this is quadratic equation or not. In this equation, power is 2, highest index is 2. So this is the quadratic equation. Then solution, highest index is 2. Therefore, this is quadratic equation for 1 marks. Second question, y square plus 1y equal to 2. First, we have to convert it into quadratic form. Okay, y square plus 1y. Here, y square into y cube. Y square into y cube plus 1 divided by y equal to 2y. Sorry, equal to 2. Again solve this. Y cube plus 1 equal to 2y. Therefore, y cube minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. So, in this equation, highest index is 3. Highest index is not 2, highest index is 3. Therefore, this equation is not a quadratic equation. Is not a quadratic equation. Okay. Remaining question you can solve. Question number 3. Write the values of a, b, c. Okay. And convert it into ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Write the given equation in quadratic form and then find the values of and write the values of a, b, c. First we have to convert it into quadratic form. Okay. Solution. Quadratic form is, the general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Convert it into this form. Means first 2y equal to 10 minus y square. Here minus y square can be written as y square. Okay. Y square plus 2y. 10 can be written as minus 10 equal to 0. Then compare with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore, a equal to here, a y square means a equal to 1, b equal to 2 and c equal to minus 10 is the values of a, b and c. Okay. Second problem is x minus 1 square equal to 2x plus 3. Again same method. First we have to convert it into quadratic form. Means x minus 1 square. This is the a minus b bracket square. Then by using this formula a minus b bracket square, here x square minus twice x plus 1, this can be written as x square minus twice x plus 1 equal to 2x plus 3. Here x square minus 2x, 2x can be written as again minus 2x, here plus 1 and 3 minus 3 equal to 0. X square minus 2x minus 2x minus 4x minus 2 equal to 0. Okay. Therefore, x square minus 4x minus 2 equal to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c, and therefore a equal to 1, b equal to minus 4 and c equal to minus 2. These are the values of a, b and c. Again third problem is question number 3. Question number 4. Determine whether the values given against each of the quadratic equation are the roots of the equation. Okay. Fourth problem में x square plus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. In this equation, put x equal to 1 and minus 1. Therefore, LHS equal to x square plus 4x minus 5. Put x equal to 1. Put x equal to 1. Therefore, LHS equal to x square means 1 square plus 4 into 1 minus 5. 1 square means 1 plus 4 into 1, 4 minus 5. 1 plus 4, 5 minus 5 equal to 0. And 0 means x square plus 4x minus 5. LHS equal to RHS means 0 equal to RHS. Right hand side, and therefore left hand side equal to right hand side. Our answer is 0. So x equal to 1. Therefore x equal to 1 is a root of the given equation. Root of the given equation. Second, again LHS equal to x square plus 4x minus 5. Second value is put x equal to minus 1. Put x equal to minus 1. Then LHS equal to minus 1 square plus 4 into minus 1 minus 5. Then minus 1 square is 1. 4 into minus 1 minus 4 minus 5. 1 minus 4 minus 3 minus 5 equal to minus 8, and minus 8 is not equal to 0. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS, and therefore minus 1 is not a root of the given equation. Okay. Then question number 5. Find k. If x equal to 3 is a root of equation kx square minus 10x plus 3 equal to 0. Then given equation is kx square minus 10x plus 3 equal to 0. Put x equal to 3 in this equation and find the value of k. Put x equal to 3. Then k into x square means 3 square minus 10 into x means put x equal to 3, then 10 into 3 again plus 3 equal to 0. Let's solve this. First we have to solve multiply. Okay. K into 3 square 9 minus 10 3s are 30 plus 3 equal to 0. K into 9, 9k minus 30 plus 3 equal to 0. 9k minus 30 plus 3 minus 27. Here sign is opposite, minus plus. Okay, then 30 minus 3 will get 27 and greater number sign is minus. Therefore, minus 30 plus 3 equal to minus 27 equal to 0. Then 9k equal to minus 27 9k equal to 27, and then find the value of k. K equal to 27 upon 9 and k equal to 9 3s are 27. Therefore, k equal to 3. Then find k. Okay, value of k is 3. Okay.